Welcome friends. Today we will learn about builder pattern in Java and we will know why we have to use builder pattern. We can do same stuff with method chaining as we have done in my previous video. We have see how to use build method chaining through which we can call methods in a single line. But friends, that way is not a thread safe way. Like if we have so many objects and we are entering so many students data, then it is not in consistent state, means it is in inconsistent state and it is not a thread safe. It means like we are entering five students data, then let's suppose Sham belongs to Delhi and Ram belongs to Noida. But while using method chaining, maybe address get interchanged, like Sham get Noida and Ram get Delhi. So maybe there is a inter connection between in maybe Shyam get Ram's data and Ram's get Shyam data. So it is not in consistent state. Means if there are running so many threads, then maybe data get collapsed, maybe data get interchanged. So that's why we used builder demo. So now I am showing an example without builder pattern and using multi two threads and without builder pattern. Then we can know why we use why we need builder pattern. So like before, this is my student class and it has three fields: id, name and address. These are setters which return type is its own class type. These are return this, and this is the toString method. And now this is student receiver. Here I have make a object of student, and this is get a student function which returns student type object. And here this is builder need demo. Here I am calling student receiver. Student This is student receiver, and I am calling student receivers function get student. From here we can get single student. And now let me share some students into student table, student object. Like let me do it with threads. So I'm just copy pasting my code, and here it is. You can see I have used two threads, thread 1 and thread 2. Thread 1 is equal to new thread, and I have implemented it here by new runnable. Maybe you know the anonymous class, and if you don't know anonymous class concept, then go for it. It is very useful. Um and you can do it in other way also, like implementing runnable interface. So I have used this method here, and it's running. It's okay. And new thread, new runnable, and runnable interface contains a function run, and we have to implement it. And I have implemented it with the student.setID.setName.setAddress. Notice that I have used here builder pattern method chaining. And similarly, I have created second thread, and I have used method chaining also here. And Ram has address Noida and Syam has address as Jaipur. And these threads, I have started these two threads, T1 dot start, T2 dot start. And from here I am calling get student. So from get student we get a object of student type, and get student can return any student. Like it can return Ram details, or it can return Shyam detail. So let me check how uh, what is the output, and I'm just running it. And you can see we get ID as 2, name is Sham, and address as Jaipur here. So there is no problem. I am running it again. Like we have address. Uh, this is the thread. So I think we are using two objects. So threads are not getting interchanged. But if we have data is not getting interchanged. But if we have number of data, number of objects, and we are running them on different threads, then maybe possibly their data get interchanged and the object get into inconsistency. Um, Try to running it again and again for getting desired output. No. So friends, I'm not getting the desired output, but in some cases, the data get interchanged. Like Sham's address will show like Delhi, which is assigned to Ram. So data get interchanged between the threads, between the objects if we are using threads. So this pattern, this way is not a thread safe. So for thread safety, we need builder pattern, and I will implement builder pattern in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do share it, do like it, and do not forget to subscribe it.